Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of easy-to-grow vegetables that are perfect for beginners. These 6 veggies will take you from seed to harvest in no time. 1. Lettuce. It's a classic for a reason. Lettuce is incredibly easy to grow and versatile in meals. Simply scatter seeds in rows, water them regularly, and watch them thrive. 2. Green beans. These climbing plants are perfect for beginners as they provide support for one another and grow skyward. Within weeks, you'll be harvesting fresh green beans for dinner. 3. Radishes. These root vegetables are a breeze to grow and can be harvested in just 4 weeks. They don't just taste great but also add a pop of color to your garden. 4. Spinach. A superfood that's also easy to grow. Yes, please! Spinach prefers cool weather and requires regular watering, but it's well worth the effort when you can add fresh spinach to your salads or stir-fries. 5. Zucchini. This fast-growing summer squash is a must-try for beginners. It's versatile and can even be grown indoors with a large pot on your balcony or patio. 6. Peas, a colorful addition to your garden that's perfect for beginners. Peas are quick to mature and offer sweet rewards when you taste them straight from the vine. So there you have it, 6 easy-to-grow vegetables that will have you growing like a pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing!